Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to place an order on Taco Bell website. Open the website tacobell.com, then click Login. Now, enter your email and password. Then click on Continue. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on Menu. Several options will appear. In this video, I want to order a taco, so I clicked on Tacos. Now, browse the list of available dishes. Once you've selected, click on the Add to Order button under the particular item you wish to buy. To add more, just repeat the previous step. And once done, click on the cart icon at the top right corner of the screen. So if you haven't selected a store yet, click on the Choose Store button. Now here, you will see a field from which you could enter the city and state you're residing in. Once entered, click on the current location icon. Then the list of nearby Taco Bell stores will appear. Click on the Start Your Order button under the store location you wish to select. Next, select the pickup method, either in-store or drive-thru. Now, select the payment method. If you haven't added payment method yet, click on Pay by Credit Card. Then enter the card details. Once entered, click on Confirm Payment. Lastly, select the pickup time. After selecting, review the pickup details, then click on Finish. Now, review the order summary. If everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you place an order on Taco Bell website. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.